Hello everyone, welcome back to Imperium. So this is the sixth lecture of the DBMS course. So today we will learn the where clause, the and, or, and not. Those are the logical operators in the where clause, and the order by statement with the where clause. So till these five lectures, most of you will have the basic idea of what is where. So it's like when we put a condition while we retrieve data from the group. So I will show you the example. So first step, always you have to select a database to use. So that's use Imperium. Then here we can see the tables that are in the Imperium. So I can see the customers table is there. So I will use this table only. So first I will select star from customer. So as we know, this star indicates that we will retrieve all the information that is present in that table. So we have customer ID, customer name, contact number, city, postal code, and country. So now in this, the where clause can be used as select star from where. Now let's take CNAME, that is customer name. CNAME equals, because the CNAME is in string, as you can see here near the cursor, we have given the format text or backcat. So basically it is a string. We have to give inverted commas. Now where CNAME is, let's say YYC semicolon. Then we'll run the query, and now you can see it is showing the information of the customer YYC. Now this is using the star condition. We can also write select country from customer where CNAME equals one we had was ABC. So as you can see, the country that the customer ABC is from is Germany. So you cannot like give anything instead of the star. It's like for example, the main headings or the titles that we gave to the table, that is customer ID, customer name, contact number, city. Basically, the attributes of the table is only like usable in this form. So we can write select CID, select city, or select postal code, etc. Now this is like we use CNAME. We can also use select, let's say select city from customer where country equals Germany. Now you can see, because there are two customers that are from the country Germany, we have two cities. So if we just remove the city and insert star, that is the entire information, we can see the information of the customers who are from Germany. This is the basic use of where condition. So like the where statement is basically adding conditions while retrieving the data from a table. So now we will see the and, or, and not logic operators. So as we know that there are two inputs with the country Germany. So if we check, that is this. So now you can see that there are, in countries bracket, there are two entries, means two customers that are from the country Germany. What if I had to pick the country Germany and I had to pick the city or the postal code? So the query would be select star from customer where country equals Germany. So if I stop my query at this point, it will give both the outputs. So like CID 101 and 102, because they are both from Germany. But if I add and city equals Berlin, so now you can see it's showing the output where the country is Germany, but it had also added another condition, that is the city, which is Berlin. So it will give the output where the city is Berlin and the country is Germany. So and is used to add the conditions in the basic, is what you can say. Now we will see the OR condition or the OR logic. So we will write select star from customer where we'll take country equals Germany, or we will take, yeah, it's okay, Germany, or country equals Mexico. Now you can see it has given me the output for the countries with Germany and Mexico. So what the AND condition does it, like both the conditions should be true, so we will get the output. In the logical language or the digital language, there is zeros and one, where one is true and zero is false. So what AND does is, if both conditions are true, then only it is true, otherwise it is false. So this means if my first condition is correct and the second condition also satisfies the first condition, like the statement, so it will give the output. Means when I run this, we are getting this country or the output where the country is Germany as well as the city is Berlin. So both conditions need to be true, so it will give me the output. Whereas in OR, when I run it, you can see either of the conditions can be true and it will run. So if there is only Germany, it will show the Germany country. If there is a entry with the country Mexico, it will show the that entry also. If I put a random country, let's say if I put uh, XYZ, which is like not a country, we have not inputted such as country, so it will only show Germany. So it's not throwing an error because we have used OR. It is saying that the provided things in the condition, from those I have the Germany country in my database, so I will show them. I don't have the XYZ, so I would like just drop it. I will not show them because of the OR condition. If I put AND condition, then it will throw error because it will search for that entry and it will say, even if I have the country Germany, I also want the country XYZ. So the and the OR has that difference. Now we have the not logic. So select star from customer where is was where not country and Germany. Hence we can say select star from customer where not and condition. We will run it and you can see the countries that had Germany in it are not visible. It is showing the countries that are not Germany or the entries that are not from the country Germany. That is the basic use of the not logic. Like remember that you can and like use the and or operator multiple times. Like I can and or add one more condition in and. I can add one more condition in or. Like I can add multiple conditions. So like I can write where country equals Germany or country equals this or CNAME equals this, or I can do it multiple times. So there is no limit to the use of the word and or the word or when using in the uh, like retrieving condition in the where clause. So it's not limited to only two uses or three uses. You can use it multiple times. So that is the basic and or and not logic. Now we will look at the order by statement, which is used for the retrievation data only, but in the like you can select it in ascending order or descending order. We will select star from customer and we will add condition, that is order by you can give column name such as CID or CNAME or contact number. I will give CID, and then you will give the ascending or descending. So for ascending it is ASC. So as you can see, the CID is in the ascending order. This is 101, 102, 103. For the same, for descending, you will just say DESC. Now it is in descending orders 107, 105. You can also do it for text or strings also. It is not limited to integers and float only. So if I give CNAME and in descending order, it will also run. As you can see, it has given in the descending order, as Y is the lastest element or the letter in the alphabet. It has given Y first, and as the A is the first, so A is at the bottom because it is in descending order. If you do it ascending, it will be reversed. So this is the basic where statement, the logic of and, or, and not, and the order by statement. Additional point is, if you are not using the not logic, you can just remove the not logic. Instead of that, you can make changes in the operators, that is equal to, greater than, less than. So I told you last time that we have not operator for as this, or we can also write not operator as exclamation and equal to. So if you're not using the not logic, or if you forget how to use the not logic or the syntax of the not logic, you can just change the operator from equal to not equal to. It will give you the same output. We will check it one time. And as you can see, it is giving the same output as the not logics. So this was the plus point. It's an alternative. That is it for the today's lecture. If you have any queries, please comment them. We will try to solve them as soon as possible. And thank you.